Oh, Ella, here.
Get it.
Wow.
Good girl. I tried to take him out. He's like
Screaming.
He's shaking his head. No. All of a sudden he starts laughing. Isabel doesn't want to take her bowl. You're so funny.
Ella, come back here. Come here. Isabel, you've gotten so much better. Ella, go get your ball. Your ball's over there. Go get it. Go get your ball. Good girl. Uh-oh. Go!
Why not? You don't want them, Isabel. Got so many goals. So many.
That was it? Okay, bye-bye.